The DOST GIA-funded project, upgrading and enhancing the capacity of the Packaging Technology Division in Packaging Research and Innovation, was implemented by the Packaging Technology Division of ITDI DOST. It aims to upgrade and enhance the capacity of PTD in developing new packaging technology and innovations, performance evaluation of packaging in the supply chain, packaging testing to assure food safety, and world-class packaging design addressing the packaging needs of MSMEs in the country. From this project, two major laboratories were established: the Simulation Packaging Testing Laboratory, or SPTL, and the Green Packaging Laboratory, or GPL. The laboratories were unveiled last June 20, 2022, led by the DOST Secretary Fortunato de la Peña. The packaging pilot plant was renovated to accommodate the installation of packaging line for liquid products such as juices and sauces. Likewise, the packaging testing laboratory was upgraded to comply with the ISO 17025 accreditation. PTD manpower has undergone training in the areas of smart packaging, like intelligent packaging colorimetric sensor, packaging design and engineering, packaging testing, and label design and branding to enhance its core competence. The project has undergone and faced many difficulties and challenges brought about by the pandemic. The upgrading and renovation of the laboratories was significantly delayed due to lockdowns, limited movement, and travel restrictions. The acquisition and installation of major equipment were also affected by the pandemic. In spite of these challenges, all target outputs of the project were completed, meaning that the SPTL and GPL are now in operation. The changing landscape in the supply chain, which is more now complicated, and the increasing patronage of delivery services, SPTL becomes necessary and relevant to minimize, if not completely prevent, product damage during handling, distribution, and storage. The SPTL can determine or establish the distribution hazards that the product will be exposed to during distribution. The SPTL has data loggers that can measure all these hazards and can be mounted on different types of packaging. As such, not only will the SPTL aid in facilitating proper trade and boost national economy, but it will also drive the building of better roads and infrastructure and development of more versatile packaging for shipment. Green and sustainable packaging is one of the priority areas for research and development, not only by DOST, but almost all the industry sectors worldwide to address the environmental impact of packaging. Single-use plastics, or SUPs, are currently being studied to be included or part of the environmentally acceptable products under RA 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act, while House Bill 9147 or the Single-Use Plastic Products Regulation Act will eventually phase out SUPs. As a result, there is a sudden irrevocable demand for environment-friendly and sustainable alternatives in order to delay, if not reduce, the impacts of climate change. The GPL is finally open to be of service in conducting studies and generating green technologies for adoption by packaging stakeholders and for use by manufacturers and customers. At this point, I would like to invite everyone from the private sector, academic institutions, and other government units to visit us and partner with us or collaborate with us in conducting packaging research and innovations. I would like to acknowledge the DOST management for funding this project and to be assured for all the assistance given us. I would also like to acknowledge the dedication and commitment extended by the project staff to this project. Maraming salamat po.